Miss Clayland 2012 is Ashley Warholic.
Hi, I'm Ashley Warholic, and I'm the new Miss Clayland. Sometimes I catch myself zhuzhing it up too much, and I have to be like, okay, Ashley, this is the real world, not pageant land. Because I think there are two distinct style differences sometimes, and you have to make sure that you're balancing both at all times. I like glitzy things, but in the real world that always doesn't translate very well, so I have to make sure I tone it down. And then on stage, I like, because glitz is so popular, I like to tone it down there as well and go kind of simple and sophisticated in real life flavor. But I like to, like I said, keep it simple and keep it timeless, kind of, because when I look back on these pictures, I don't want to be like, oh my gosh, what was I thinking? So I just like to stay up on trends and kind of tweak them a little bit to make it compatible with pageant land. So, style is something that, like, in essence, I think it's not just a look or an outfit, but it's like the way that you carry yourself and the types of things that you wear. So I would like to think that I have great style, but I think it's just, there's no right or wrong way, but it's just how you wear it.